cane.
Okay, show it to her.
See my candy cane? It's a little broken. I made it at school, Grandma. And I really like it.
Should we have to fix it? Rachel, did you put any? Can you show Grandma the telephone poles? Where are they?
Right there and
Ooh! Boom.
boom. She might want to see this.
Alright, should we put it back on for her? Alright, let's
Where's
turn
my
that
candy
off.
cane? Sarah, you took my
Hey,
candy
guys,
cane from
guys,
me.
guys.
You took it on my hand.
Sarah, give it. Give it. Thanks. Alright, now let's run it.
Uh-oh.
We'll fix it.
Dad.
There you go.
Is your foot on it, Daddy?
Oh,
No.
there's some over here. What do you think about the train, Rach?
I like it, Grandma. Thank you. My sister just ran away, Grandma. But I think I can do something.
You miss her?
No, I think I can do something for her.
You don't miss her?
No, I do. But I think I can do something for her on the train.
Oh, what are you going to do for her on the train? Oh, are you candy caning the train? Hey, Rach, let's stop the train. You want to show her what's inside the car?
Sure.
Okay, let's show her what's inside.
There's some stuff that went with it that isn't.
Let's do this. Can you see that? There we go. Look at that.
And look on the outside.
What? What's on the outside?
Come on this side, right here. Sarah,
Uh-oh.
you're knocking stuff off. Miro.
I'll show you in a second, Sarah. Look at that.
Sarah, you're not letting me be in my space.
Sarah, I'll show it to you in a second. There we go. Look at that. Should we run it again?
Yeah, let's run it for Grandma one time.
Alright.
Uh-oh, I forgot to put on my hat. Okay, put on my train. There. I have to make it like a candy
Okay.
Stop
Hey,
hitting
Sarah.
me.
Sarah, look. Sarah.
Sarah, you broke what I just did.
Sarah. Sarah, look at me.
Sarah, you're breaking. You can have this to tickle you. Tickle. Tickle. Okay, there. Oh, a bee.
Sarah, don't touch it, please.
Sarah, please don't touch it. I just did it.
Sarah.
Sarah. Sarah. Sarah. Sarah. Dad's gonna have to help you. If you can't keep yourself knocking it down.
What's going on over here?
Sarah.
There we go.
Sarah. Dad. That was helpful.
Alright. Is that enough?
Yeah. No.
Want to say goodbye? Hey. Want to say goodbye?
No. I want to do some more.
You want to do some more? The video's too long
Well, I
already.
want to show her. How I put these in.
Oh.
That's
Is that the
my-
mail slot?
Yeah, and this is my cards for us. So we don't know whose is who. So we just push them in, and then they come out. People don't come in until it's birthday. It's birthday.
Whose birthday?
Christmas birthday.
Christmas birthday. What's Christmas birthday?
I don't know.
Oh.
Just a few Christmas birthdays, and that's how we say. Rachel's and Sarah, and this is the whole family.
Want help?
No, I can do it. And this is how you do it. Open the mail slot. Keep them open because I have tons.
You have a what?
A tons. I have lots. I have girls, boys. This is mine. One more. See, this is Christmas.
Oh, no.
That's for Sarah. And I should go get more.
All right.
Thank you. I have some money in here
You do.
for a game. So we should play. Some money for cards. Some money for cards. These are for all of the cards. These are for all of the cards. These are for all of the
All right.
And can I show you some more stuff? You can actually, this is a ribbon for my purse. This is a
All right, Rach. The video's getting too long.
Okay. Just look at that for a few more minutes.
For a few more minutes, and then what?
And then we'll be all done.
Okay. I'm waiting for it to come around one more time. There it is.
One more time.
One more time.
Yes, to decorate this tree. To see the scene.
Here it comes. It's the one more time. Alright. There it goes.
Decorated.
Can you say goodbye?
Merry Christmas and to decorate to all.